Hello and welcome to a new video by XI Academy. My name is Johan and I will be your host in this video. So in this video we're going to learn about another algorithm that is called bubble sort. So bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms that we can use in development. So while it might not be the most efficient one, bubble sort is a great way to understand the fundamentals of sorting algorithms. Bubble sort is a basic comparison-based sorting algorithm. It repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. This process is repeated till the entire list is sorted. Let's create an array. So we're going to say var numbers is equal to, let's create an array. So we can say 1, 3, 5, 2, 8, 6, 10, 11, oh, this has to be a comma, 10, 14, 20, and 41. You know what? I have a better idea. Let's make this 40, and the last one 21. So how bubble sort works, we can say func bubble sort. In here, we're gonna pass an R, so an array. We're gonna say in out, and we can say int. We don't need a return type. So what we can do, we can say let n is equal to r dot count. And as always, after I've written the code, I will explain to you guys line by line what it does. So in here, we're going to say var swapped. This is going to be a boolean. After that, we're going to do a repeat while, so we can start repeat. We can say swapped is equal to false. Then we can say for I in 0 dot dot n minus 1. This one we're going to open. Okay. So now we can do if r, and we're going to open up the index. So in this case, we're going to call I. So I is going to be the index of the array. Is lesser than ri plus 1. Let's open this one up. And in here we can say r dot swap at, and we're going to say y, and for the comma we're going to say y plus 1. Let's wait a second till the error is gone. Okay, so then after this one, so after the swap at, we can say swapped is equal to true, just like this. Then we're going to escape this first two parentheses and here, or curly braces, and we can say while swapped. Okay, so let's break this down. We created a constant of r.count. So that is going to be the amount of values that is inside the array. After that, we call swapped. And after that, we create a repeat while loop. And the repeat while loop continues as long as swaps are being made. Inside the loop, we compare each pair of the adjacent elements. And if the first element is greater than the next, we swap them using the swap at method. If no swaps are made during an entire pass through the list is sorted and the loop ends. So what we can do, so we already have the array. So now we can say bubble sort, and we are going to run numbers just like this. Okay, so now we have called the bubble sort, and after that we can call numbers. So we can say print. And we can print numbers just like this. And now theoretically, when we run this, the bubble sort, so this function will first sort this array, and after that we print it using numbers. So let's run this. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 14, 21, 40. And this is bubble sort. So for instance, bubble sort is really useful for small data sets where simplicity is more important than speed. It's also a good choice when you need to detect small errors or when the data is nearly sorted, as an algorithm can complete quickly in these cases. So what this means is, so at this moment, the array is already fairly sorted, right? So we have here the smaller numbers, here the bigger numbers. And when we have an array like this, that is not too big, the bubble sort algorithm is perfect to use. But the moment when you start to work with really big or really large data sets, so like an array with like 5, 6, maybe 700 variables or values, bubble sort is going to be really slow. Okay, so bubble sort is really easy for small data sets. If you have bigger data sets, you're going to use something else. So this is going to be the end of our bubble sort video. So in our next video, we're going to take a look at selection sort, another simple sorting algorithm that offers a slightly different approach. So if you guys want to help me, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. I'm really flexible. So if you have any questions or you think like, hey, I want to learn something different, leave a comment or come to the Discord channel where you can tell me personally what you want to learn, and I can make a video on that, because as I said before, at XI we are really flexible. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time.